Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, it's all about you guys. I want to thank you guys. Before I get into what I'm doing, if you guys want to see this tutorial, it is linked down below. It's a full face shop my stash video. Okay, all right, getting back to you guys. I have here in my hands, finally, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this. I have the black palette of this, but now I have the limited edition part. I know you guys are probably thinking, what does this have to do with us? I'm getting to that. First, let me show you this beauty. This is the Divine Rose 2 in the limited edition packaging. Okay, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I have a whole review and everything of this. I am not touching this palette. This is strictly for collectors' purposes. But do you see the amazingness of this? Oh, it's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. And then this is the inside. Look at this multi-chrome or trio chrome, whatever she was calling it. Ah, beautiful. Well, I mentioned that I had placed 2 orders, one for the pink limited edition and then one for the black version of, the regular packaging. I did that for 2 reasons. One, I knew I wanted them both. I was like, I want to use one and I want the other one to stay pretty. But I thought if I place 2 different orders, then one will likely come in before the other. I had a feeling that the black one was not going to be as sought after as the limited edition one. And I thought, as a YouTuber, I wanted to be able to get the review out for you guys quicker. And I was right. The black one came in so fast, and then this one just got here. When you're seeing this video, this came, what is today? The 10th, 6/10. And I accidentally ordered 2. Now, I knew I had accidentally ordered 2. I see this here and this one here, but I didn't want to tell you guys. I didn't want to say, hey, I got 2 and I'm going to do a giveaway, because I didn't have a shipping confirmation at the time. I didn't even know if I was going to get my pink palette. So it was kind of like this thing of like, oh, I want to tell you guys about my giveaway, but then what if I don't get it? So you guys just heard it. I'm doing a giveaway. This palette right here. I haven't touched this palette other than the outside of the packaging here and like opening it up. I did put on a pair of gloves so that I could check and make sure that the palette was not broken. That is all I did, but I was wearing gloves when I did that. I say this because we all know what is going around in the world right now, and I want to give this palette away, but I want to be sensitive to that fact. I want to kind of put in a disclaimer of sorts that if you're uncomfortable with receiving something that has come from my house, then I completely understand that. All I know is I want to brighten somebody's day and give this to you guys. You guys have been so supportive and so kind, and I've been doing a lot of giveaways, and then when everything happened, I stopped, and I really just want to make somebody's day. I want somebody to receive this palette and be really, really happy. So that is what I'm going to do, and my disclaimer is, we all know what is going on. So if you don't want to enter, I completely understand. I will always have more in the future, not of this palette, but more giveaways. And then international, this will be international. I want everybody who watches me to have the opportunity to win this. If you win and you are international and I can't send it to you for some reason, I have no problem holding it for however long it takes. If I don't know what is going on with shipping and everything like that, but I just want everybody to be able to have the opportunity. So if I need to hold on to it for you until I can send it to you or whatever, I can do that. You just need to let me know. For this giveaway, I'm not going to make you guys jump through hoops. I just want you guys to let me know that you want to be entered by commenting and giving me a way to get a hold of you, whether that is Instagram or your email, whatever you are comfortable with, leave it down below. And then this will last for a week. And seeing as I don't know when I am posting this, I will leave that date in the description box, but it will be at 12 Central Time that I reach out to you. So on that date, make sure that you are checking whatever source you left me, whether it's Instagram or if it is an email. Make sure you are checking it at that time or within 24 hours, because 24 hours is the time frame that I allow, so that if somebody doesn't check, I gotta move on to the next person, and I hate doing that, so please, 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 please check. I will get in touch right on the dot, or like within 5 minutes of it. The official rules will be noted down below, but again, if you want to be entered to win the Pat McGrath limited edition Divine Rose 2 in the pretty packaging, just comment down below and give me a way to reach you. I love you, beauties, so much. Thank you all for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.